Hey everybody, so I am back with another video about cooking. So I recently did a video on a meatless protein meal. So today I'm going to be doing a meal with chicken, but it is chopped up chicken. So if you guys have any recipes that you like, that you make, comment below. I'd like to actually hear about them. So going to show you the ingredients, but first I started with, it's already pre-cooked. I've already pre-cooked it. I chopped it up. I bagged it and I freeze it. That's what I do with the boneless chicken, white boneless chicken. So here is what I did with the ingredients. Okay, so what I started with was, this is a crock pot. It's sort of like a crock pot. It's a cooker, and it also has a skillet pan on the bottom. So you can take this pot off and use this as a skillet. Okay. I don't know what kind of skillet you guys use, but it's best to do a pot instead of a crock pot, because I can't really tell you what kind of time frame that it'll cook in a crock pot. But this is what I used. So to open this up and show you, I chopped up the chicken. Okay, and it's about 2 chicken breasts. And I put that on heat to heat that up. It's on 5. And then I'm going to use a chicken bouillon cube, which I will show you. Chicken bouillon cube. Alright, then I panned. I'm going to put a cup and a half of the vegetable broth. I'm going to cut up this green pepper. And I'm going to add some seasoned field peas and snap peas. I'm also going to add corn, a whole can of corn. Now you can use cream corn if you want. That is definitely an option, which I wish I had because I would use it. And then I'm going to put this, after it's all cooked down, I'm going to add some instant pre-cooked rice, Jasmine rice. Now this only cooks in 5 minutes. So I'm going to cook this and then I'm going to add it to it. And then the juice will be soaked up. So those are the things that I'm using. And then I was told by a friend of mine that I could actually use some ginger. So I might dash in some ginger, but I also put in some salt and pepper as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start mixing, and we'll see how it goes. So watch how I do this. I just wanted to add in too that I'm going to add some carrots. I'm going to cut these up, and I'm going to cut half of this and put the other half away. So those are my additions to the ingredients. All right, see you in a minute. Yep, I cut up 5 or 6 carrots. And yes, I did wash my hands. Okay, and there's the carrots. A little bit of this. Take out the seeds in this spine. Just about that much. Just slice them up. And then just chop them up. Now, I don't know, some people might be allergic to different things, but you can add whatever you want as long as it's in small quantities to where it cooks better. And try to do the sizes the same so that they cook evenly, because that is very important. Cooking evenly is very important. Put it right in here. And mix it up. And I'll show you what it looks like. Let me see, right in there. Yep, right in there. Oops, sorry guys. Yeah, there you go. That's it. So I got the chicken broth, a half a cup of water, 1 cup of the chicken broth, carrots, and the green peppers so far. More to come. Okay, so the other thing I wanted to also add in is when you are putting away the vegetables, try to, especially onions too, wrap them in a paper towel, not tinfoil, because it doesn't keep the moisture and the gookiness, because some things, they kind of get gooey and little, like, you know what I mean. So it basically, if there is any, and you always try to squeeze out the air, so it'll keep it fresher longer. I've definitely learned that from a lot of people. So yeah. All right, here we go. I got this set for 20 minutes. So we'll see you in 20 minutes. I'm going to open these because we have about 2 minutes left on the timer. So I'm going to go ahead and drain these and add them. Ooh, that's looking good. Add some corn. Add the snap peas. Yep, there's the timer. Just add this in. And mix it real good. And like I said, this is already pre-cooked chicken. So you're just basically heating it up. Alright, and let that simmer for a little bit, and then we'll add the rice. Okay, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. I'm going to start the rice, but just a little bit of, I don't know, I guess it's a hint or a tip. When you're doing 2 cups of water, always try to do it just a smidge more because it evaporates. So by the time it boils, you actually have the amount of water that you really need. And we are boiling. So here's the tip on the instant rice, is you put in the rice, you stir it, stir it real good, and I put some salt and butter in here, by the way, that's preference. And you let it boil a little bit. Alright, because this is going to foam. So what I'm going to do, as instructed on instant rice, since it's instant rice, what you do is you cover it, and you remove it from the heat and you let it sit 5 minutes. This rice requires, or you have to, the instructions say 5 minutes. So we're going to put the timer on for 5 minutes. And start. See you in 5 minutes. While we're waiting on the rice, I just wanted to remind you, if you do like this video, if you could please click the like button, and I will be doing more cooking videos. You can also comment below. I always welcome comments. So if you can, push the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and click that notification bell. Make sure that's on so that you can be alerted to all the great content that I am going to be coming up here in the near future. So I will probably be doing a few of them a week. You can watch them at your leisure. And I will also be continuing my dog series as well. So definitely looking forward to that. So hopefully you enjoy. All right, we'll see you again here in a minute. Okay, so I have this down on simmer, and the timer is about to go off. So I'll be adding the rice and mixing it up, and then I'll do my little exit. So see you in a minute. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Nice. Real nice. All right, let's add that in. All right, looks good. Now, like I said, this was 2 cups of rice, instant rice. And there you have it. A nice meal, very easy to make. Very, very easy to make. And you can actually put that over rice if you want, but mine is a little wetter than some people might prefer, but at least you get the gist of how to make a very easy meal, very good for you. Like I said, it's pre-cooked, chopped white meat, chicken in Ziploc bags, frozen. You can prep these meals during the week, and whatever you don't use on this, you can actually cool it down and freeze it and actually eat it on another night. So you've got maybe 3 plates, 3 people meal here. All depends on how much you make. But for mine, it'll probably last me about 2 nights. Yeah, probably about 2 nights. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, like I said, you can comment below. I definitely welcome comments. Any experiences that you've had with this kind of meal. And if you can, like I said, please like this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below, because I will be doing more videos as I cook this week. So you guys enjoy the rest of your day, rest of your weekend. And God bless. Take care. Stay safe. Bye for now.